You know, say Cushy in there, Jamaica. I'm turning and Mr. What you said to me, go Shelly? So obviously why the car up on the hill, I must my yard the car I watch. When the police them go up there and shine the light, there's somebody ducking at the car like so. I am back. So I wanted to do this video for some time now. For a minute now, but I was like, should I do it? I've been giving you guys hint, you know, over the past, you know, about situation that happened. So this specific situation is, I have so much story time to tell you now. Let me see which one, the one in the title. But let me see which one. Alright, let me give you this one first. Alright, so there was this time when before I came here, Kushane was here. I was in Jamaica a couple years back. So I'm here almost 4 years. So therefore, I'm there a long time. No, I'm not there here no time. I'm here going with myself. It's been maybe six years ago or 7 years ago. I was in Jamaica in the year I wanted to go to a specific party, and we've been telling about it, hype up about it, you know, I have to get prepared. A matter of fact, I think he was the one who buy the dress. Did he? My dress cost like almost $20,000, and I invite them time I not buy nothing expensive. It was a store, Image. What the store did name downtown? Is it Image? And it was like a bandage dress, and him send the money and say my buy it, and I said okay. You don't know a girl who wear Bridget and stuff. Like I said, the baby's here with me. I think Olivia is going on her head top. Hey mamacita. Alright. So anyway, him buy the dress, and me feel so hyped up about the party. So me I go a party, me and my friends them. You know, say I'm me as the makeup artist, so I'm gonna be the one doing the makeup. Everybody have to sit together, because the one thing with me, when me and my friends them go out all the way, I have to look good. Me can't be the makeup artist and everybody face no beat. It no works around here. All our face, all you have to do is come from early and let me get that face, you know, beat up or done up. But anyway, so me I go party this, that, and so forth, and me have so much story. Me I wonder if me I go mix up myself. Kushane send the money, prepare. Everybody I prepare. Me say, oh, me I go do my ear. Me get my nice white dress. It was an all white affair. It was an all white party. Me get my bandage dress. My dress did have bows, cost money. So you know you feel hype. For the Jamaica in a nice sandal, in a nice slippers, a nice sandals, knowing say cost money, dress cost money, ear cost money. I think I him did buy the ear them prior to him coming down. So you know me hype up now, I do my friend them. In the evening now when a party time, it's like me never did I get him. And me remember, me never did I get him, because me I tell him say, you know babes, me I got the party, because me done talk say me not think you better go on a party, you know, because so me say no, you send the money for buy the dress. I'm hyped up about it, me and my friends them, so I'm going to the party. Him say no, you're too hyped up about it. But anyway, then I listen to him because him there firing. Him could have stopped me. So I never did I get him phone in the evening. Anyway, come down tonight, like after 8, start do the face them, start get me things, my makeup stuff them, gather me stuff them, say, you know, I'm gonna prepare to do friend's face and whatever. I remember it was maybe like after 9. It was like after 9 the night, I think Shelly, we did up on the veranda. I know say no lie me I tell, because Shelly can testify to that. We were on the veranda, spread out the makeup stuff them time they may do the face them on the veranda at my house in Jamaica. And spread out the stuff them. Melon was sitting, it's like where we live, you can see the street. Melon was sitting in the chair on this corner right here. And me there right here so, or over the other corner and stuff, and Melon sit down and wait for fair face to do. Me start Shelly face and stuff. But Melon's like the way she sit down and cock up on the wall, you know. She said she see one car park up. And I don't know, like she has said somebody in there because the car is on. So she said she see a car park up and the person seem like them in the car and what's it not. So, you know, when I really pay it no mind, I say maybe over next door or whatever. I say, like a couple minutes after, she said no, the person come out of the car and him have one white towel over her head and walk come down. So I say come out of the car. But she said person been dep on her phone because she been and watch them since she said the car is on and somebody in the car not tint or anything like that. So now she said the person that come out and stuff with something over their head. I don't remember if did somebody go back in her car or turn back. Allow me to tell. The person like she say a walker come. Chrissy and I tell no lie. Like the person a walker come down, there's a white towel over her head. And a walker come down and she has said no man. And she has said when the person a come peep. Because we on my yard set, right here, so my mother used to wash. There's a tree, because my mother love wash out a door, machine or no machine. There's a tree there, we hang over, so therefore if you come off of the hill, because I live off of one hill, you can stay behind the tree there, nobody not gonna really see you. So she has said no, so oh somebody a walk or come down. So anyway, while I will get up and run, left makeup and everything, run going at the house, and we have said no sir. Now my Shelly face finish, you know. And a time for Shelly go home, we go get ready for go a party. Shelly called for her taxi driver. Everybody knows Shelly taxi driver them time the Dose. I think a Dose in name. Dose come pick up Shelly now. So we plan to say, alright Shelly. Boy, I don't know if I go bother go on a party because I don't know who that did park up this so. Anyway, Dose come for Shelly now. We plan to say, no, here, please excuse Olivia. I saw you going your baby mother and you want to do a video. So those come for Shelly. Shelly's supposed to go out now, so prepare. So Shelly will hurry up and pull the grill and you run out. After she exit the veranda grill, she have to go through the yard grill to go in a Dose car. Anyway, now Shelly run out and run go in a Dose car. When those I think those come down and in turn to go back up on the hill. Shelly said, no, you carry that drive off back at her. Because when we come in now, you know, a person go up on the hill, go park. So Shelly said, by those come down and turn, she said she see the same car park up and drive off. When she passed them, it's like it's somebody ducks so in a car. So I said, no sir, this don't safe. Anyway, alright, she reach up now. She said she afraid and something. She had just come out and run go in her house. Tell me how the car reach up a Shelly yard. The person in the car reach up a Shelly yard. Shelly said no, the same car. And the same car when they down at your yard, up at my yard. So she said because she done in the taxi already, she run out, go down in her yard. So I said no, this serious. Anyway, we still say one day if we go a party because we don't know who this and we don't know what can happen and whatever. Anyway, we said John will start look how we prepare for the party. Now we don't know who this is. Somebody a trail Shelly. Because obviously a Shelly then start trail because how they reach up a Shelly yard. Right it. Shelly now get ready and for come back down. When Shelly come back down, because Shelly did for go bed and get dressed. When Shelly for come back down at my yard, Shelly said by the time she come back down, when those pick her, allow me to tell, like Chrissy a lie, Shelly not get ready. Shelly go to pick up her clothes, to get dressed at my yard, to come down at my house, to get dressed. Guess what happened? She said by the time she come off of the hill, not the same car that park up on the hill. So she has said, no, this not serious. So instead of she stop at my house, she drive go straight down and go up at the station. Shelly said, no, me not take no check. And we said, no girl, go on up at the police station because this look like somebody a trail you. And it don't look good. When she go up at the police station, 2 police so she know in a one van. Them drive come down with her and she in the car. By the time the police them come down, the car still up on the hill. Right? So obviously why the car up on the hill, I must my yard the car I watch. When the police them go up there and shine the light, there's somebody ducking at the car like so. Shelly said she in the police car now, cause this now Dose leave her, the taxi driver leave her, and she in the police them van cause she didn't know the police them, the 2 police them, can't forget them. Every time they see me they say, no sir. Shelly in the car, the person in the car don't know. So the police them draw them gun cause them a say no. Then them a go say step out of the car. You know them a shine the light and the excitement with police when something looks suspicious. The person don't want to come out of the car because him big bad and ball. Tell me how and them tell him to step out and shine the light. Shelly called me on the phone and said, Crystal, cause Crystal and call me. You know, say Cushy in there Jamaica. I'm turning and I say, what you say to me, Shelly? She see a Cushy and up in the car, I watch. The police then they up here so. I say a liar tell, she say yes, I swear, I him. People, me relieve, me not gonna like, I don't know who did that trail we are, Shelly. But me say no, so them your boy are do easy. You don't know what happened. After him tell me say no, me can't bother go on a party and something. Him decide say him a come down and come watch me. The boy buy a ticket and fly down, come watch me. Prior to that, you know, me the ear man in friend on the phone and the dog I say, all when he not no money, me I lend me money to buy a plane ticket, but because him friend love to joke, me never take it serious. But she buy a ticket and come to Jamaica, my love. Come to Jamaica and him come to Jamaica the night before cause me never get him phone. Yeah, and him park up at the other watch me. The boy park up, my brother tell me say, him see the car the night before right there park up. Yeah, boy, a bodyguard girl and so, for what? It so happened that something did come. I don't know why my bodyguard, my foreigners must did come down or whatever the case may be. I never know. It was a foreigner party. So then come down and keep them party. And the boy decided to him a fly down. Girl good. The boy come down come watch me. But not gonna lie, there was a relief when my ear say him because me say who the hell a trail and we well want to go at the party. But police nearly shoot him because police draw them gun. Half a boy, because he never want to come out of the car. Because he must shame me now. He must shame me now, so he never want to come out of his car. Yeah, him fly down and nearly get him head bust off for pumps. I'm not tell no lie. When they cushion. Hear him up there? I lie me I tell?
Oh.
You know them by time?
Which time?
With the police them.
Oh, when them catch me?
We?
When them catch me?
The time when the police them nearly bust off your head.
What's up, Shine? Top tell
You remember when you did come down come watch me?
Top tell that. Me no watch you.
So what you did I do?
Me no watch you.
So lie me I tell. You remember when you fly down come to Jamaica come watch me?
So you sit down and do a video and tell her whole
Watch it that one close. Me tell her?
You sit down and do a video and tell a whole bunch of lies on me.
You remember when you did come down? So lie me I tell.
You know, so any post that me have react it and tell the truth.
No, so guys, let me ask you something. Shelly, me want you come ball out. What's up, boss? Which part you there? Me don't want even Melon to testify. No. Alright, where police them there, you must watch the video them. Because when I go to Jamaica, them say, me not lie, you have the boy head locked. You have soldier head locked.
Yo.
I like that.
Yeah. If you post that, me have a react and tell them the truth.
Oh my God, me never know say my husband so wicked. Yes guys, him did come down and nearly get his head bust off.
Right.
The boy nearly dead for me. Cause him come down and watch me. And him there the yard park up from the night before. Cause my brother tell me say him see the car the night before. So Cushy and sleep on my yard. Him want to make sure say I know me come out. Then him go tell me say the reason why him go big and Shelly because the way somebody run out, him thinks say me going in the car. I say first of all Shelly have more weight than me. So and then him say him first Shelly go up her house to see why him trail the car. Go up her house, right? And then he realized say a Shelly run out, come down her yard. So at that time he realized say a Shelly. So he come back down on my yard, come park up on the hill and start watch me back with the white towel over him head. Police nearly bust off him head. You come and watch me. All you have to say babes feel like me I come fly down. That's all I did have to say, cause me did happy to see you too. Regardless, me did go a party. So I just go a party and leave boy in my bed and then come back home to boy. But him did like that. Yeah, but him fly down and did watch me. Couldn't believe. Was a relief, but couldn't believe. But him thinks see me run going in a car. Why? So why were you feeling like, you know, why you had that feeling like it was me run going in a car? Why you did feel like you need to buy a plane ticket, waste money, and come down and watch me? I just don't understand. Me need to understand. People want to know viewpoint. Comment and tell me no why I don't feel like say you did need to watch me. You did insecure or somebody tell you something. What was the reason for you to come down, sir? I want to know him gone shower so him cannot answer. But I want you guys, have you ever experienced that? Where a guy either fly down to come watch you, pull up at your gate to come watch you, or something like that. You just feel like the boy has stalk you and not leave you. I have one upstairs. I want to know thoughts in the comment section. I do have another story time and I'm coming with it. Me I roll out with them now. Yeah, me I roll out with all of the story time them. So I have one more. As a matter of fact, I might have another one with me and him where him just talk about police catch we. But me I go talk about another story time with him again. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Yeah. No man ever watch you yet? Man always watch me. Bye. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram. Cause we lit. Bye bye.